Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany Faith Manguez, and I'm going to report about Chapter 7.5 Writing an Abstract. What is an abstract? In scientific literature, the term abstract refers to a brief but total summary of the research report. So, the abstract contains the direction of the research report and what the readers expect in the research. It is encouraged to use precise and clear words in writing the abstract. The abstract is commonly found in journal papers, conference papers, and in open access papers where the readers could read a brief outline of the research paper, the outcome, and as well as the methods used in the research. Why is an abstract important? The abstract is important because the abstract is sufficient to convey an understanding of the research and its outcomes. So the abstract attracts the readers on reading your research paper. The abstract actually helps the readers to determine if the research paper relates to the topic that they have, and they won't have to read the entire research paper just to see if the research paper is relevant to the topic on their own. In writing an abstract, we have certain restrictions and conditions to follow. For example, the number of words or characters are limited, no references allowed, and as well as no symbols allowed. So despite of all that restrictions, we have to follow the structure to follow in writing an abstract in order. So first we have background/literature review. Second, we have research methods. Third, we have research results. Lastly, we have discussion and conclusion. So first, we're going to talk about background/literature review. The purpose of the study is here, and it also contains the summary of previous research on the topic. So it also has the problem of the research and answer the questions. Why do you do this study, and why this study is important to you and to your target audience? Next, we have research methods. So research methods, this area or in this section, it contains the methods used in conducting the research as well as how do you do it. So it is encouraged to also use only the most significant parts of the research method in a precise manner. So you don't have to be lengthy here. The research method includes interviews, surveys, and it could also be mixed methods. Next is research results. So in research results, it actually contains the outcome. Is the outcome as expected or unexpected? And the results should be linked back to the research problem. Discussion and conclusions relate back to the problem and purpose. In this section, we need to answer the initial question of the research problem as well as the meaning of the results in the context of the problem. We have an example abstract here. Consider a news report of a football match. The World Cup brings the best football teams of the world together in one tournament. The match between Iraq and France was a first round match in a FIFA World Cup. The match was played in Sao Paulo in heavy rain and strong winds. The two teams were evenly matched and both played open, fast football with the ball crossing the central line more than 30 times in each half. There were 21 shots on goal. The result has clearly established the strength of the teams and a significant bearing on the World Cup outcome. So in this example, the result is naturally here. So the result of the match is not here, or the score, which is very important. So in this next example, it is already here. Iraq scored in the 25th minute and France in the 45th and 81st minutes. The 2-1 result in favor of France has clearly established the strength of the teams and had a significant bearing on the World Cup outcome. So, by having the score, it makes the abstract clear. It actually satisfies the readers as well. So that is my report all about, And thank you so much for listening.